Hi everyone, this reading is for the zodiac sign Libras for the month of May 2021. Okay, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Guys, if you wish to enroll for the session, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to purchase energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, let's see. This is a situationship reading, so that means that it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, so Libras, something is ending, something is starting, ending of a karmic cycle and starting of a new phase, new journey, new life, new beginning. Okay, you are thinking to relocate, shift, explore, travel. Okay, your third eye chakra is opening. You're going through some major spiritual awakening, realizations about people, life in general. Okay, yes, you are going through some major spiritual awakening, guys. Okay, trust me, this is like major. Okay, so yeah, major spiritual awakening. You feel that you have gone through a lot of experiences you have learned in this lifetime. Okay, and especially from past 3 years you are learning a lot of experience about people, life, situations. Okay, you feel, Libras, that there is a lack of trust into a situation. Okay, yes, either into career or relationship. You are thinking that you are becoming very matured nowadays in this life. Okay, you're getting aware, realizations about the people around you, who is using you, who is taking advantage of you, who is not. Okay, so yes, some of the Libras might hear a good news in next 7 months. Okay, or some of you Libras might be pregnant. Okay, feminines. Okay, yeah, okay, Libras, you are still holding on to the past. Okay, you haven't moved on yet, and because the past disappoints you a lot, and now you are realizing what the facts and the figures about your past life or past situations. Okay, so you haven't moved on completely, but you understand that what's going on into this life. Okay, like who was yours, who was not yours. Okay, you're still holding on to the past, haven't moved on yet. Okay, you're gaining a lot of clarity related to situations. Okay, so yes, you're gaining a lot of clarity. Okay, you might be juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. Okay, in the month of May, and you might have to gain a lot of clarity into the month of May for making a new decisions. Okay, so yeah, ignore the background sound, guys. Okay, you are daydreaming about achieving the goals. Okay, achieving certain aims, goals in this lifetime. Okay, yes, you are working hard towards it and thinking how you will reach to your particular goal or aim. Okay, Libras, that is related to either career or relationship. You are waiting for a new beginning into your life, either into career or relationship, but that new beginning will not be happen this month. It might take few more months. Okay, yes, you are waiting for something to ending, like you are thinking to end the old pattern of clinging on to the past, and you are thinking to move on from the past. Okay, which you are unable to do so. Yes, whosoever left you in the cold in the past, you are ready in the month of May that this is a time to take action, to move on from your past. Like no more thinking about your past. In the month of May, you will decide energetically that now this is the time to move on. You cannot just stay, and you just cannot think on about that person. Okay, who doesn't value you. Okay, yeah, there's a new beginning waiting for you in the next 2 to 3 months. You will take certain decisions in this life. Okay, so yes, related to new beginning, new life, new opportunities. Okay, correct. Yes, you are feeling very sad, worried. Okay, you are feeling you will be very, guys, 1 second. Guys, you will be spending very miserly, okay, in the month of May, okay. And if you are thinking to invest in a real estate, you can think so, because this is a right time. Next 4 months are good for the real estate thing. If you are thinking to invest into a property, purchasing a new land, new property, new home, okay, if you are thinking that, you can do so, okay. Okay, so there is a wish fulfillment which you want, which is not happening. A new beginning is not happening towards your wish fulfillment. It will not be happening for next 9 months. Like, it will not happen this month, but within next 9 months it will happen. 1 second. Certain sort of wish fulfillment will take place, okay. I think you will be, thinking about stability, overall stability into career, relationship, and situationship, okay, which is very good. Like, you are thinking about a stability which is very, 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 very good, okay. Overall stability you'll be thinking about, which is very, 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 very good, okay. So yeah, into your home life, business, career, relationship. Okay, so yeah, there is a wheel of fortune which has been blocked, okay. Like, you are waiting for some sort of a change, major shifts, major changes are on the horizon for you, but it will take a lot of time for the same, okay. Like, a major changes are on the horizon for you, but not this month, okay. In the upcoming months, in the upcoming 10 months will be very good when it comes to changing the patterns, shifting to a new reality, transforming, starting with, having an abundance. Some sort of an offer might come towards you, okay. So yes, offer related to either career or relationship, okay, but that offer will change your life, okay. Some sort of an offer, okay. So yes, if you are thinking to explore, if you are thinking to travel, that has been blocked right now, because this is due to this pandemic. A lot of situations, Libras, you are going through, and the traveling has been blocked right now, and that's okay, I guess, okay, because the situations is really bad, okay. So yeah, okay, let's see what is. 1 second, guys. Okay, so let me check. Sorry for the background sound, guys, okay. It was my mom, okay. So let me check that what is your life purpose in this lifetime, okay. Some of you might become a motivational speaker, an influencer, a person who orates the story, writer, or who narrates a story, who tells a story in his or her own language, okay. So yeah, you Libras, you are very much fascinated with children. Fascinated in the sense, you like playing with children and spending time with children, some of you, okay. And some of you might love teaching children, or some of you might be the teacher of children into a kids school or so, okay. Some of you might be healing children, some of you might be in the field of writing, okay, like script writing, story writing, narrating the writing, okay. So some of you might inspire, teach, or entertain people by your writing skills, okay. So yeah, I need to take this one also. This one I'm taking, okay. So yes, some of you might be the dog lovers, animal lovers, nurturing animals, might love pets as well, Libras, okay. So yeah, and you need to spend time with the environment, okay. So yeah, creative expression, your soul longs to express its creativity. Some of you might become an painter, loves painting, drawing, and taking photographs of the environment or nature, okay, which is very good, okay. So yeah, this is very good, perfect, okay. Justice, your career brings fairness and protection to others who needs your help, okay. So whatever profession you are in, okay, you will help others, and you will make justice of your profession and your career, which is very good, Libras, okay. Whatever your heart is desiring, whatever you are thinking to do, okay, into this lifetime related to your profession or your career, okay, you can do so, because angels are protecting you, angels are with you. Let's see what's going on with your love reading, guys. Oh my god, Libras, new love, new person, the people who are single, okay, and right now they are single. Okay, currently new love is entering into your life, new person is entering into your life. Okay, new love is entering into your life. Oh wow. Okay, some of you might get engaged also with that person. Okay, or it, just one step ahead of your in your love relationship. Okay, beautiful. Some of you might take action with this person, whosoever a new love is coming, and you might get engaged, or you might get committed, or you might get involved into a relationship with this person, or a commitment, higher level of commitment. Okay, and this you will feel one, if you'll see this person, whosoever will enter into your life, you will see that this love was worth waiting for. Okay, like you'll make an effort to be with this person. Wow. Because as far as I know, Libras, you don't take action much. Okay, until unless you are not sure about it. Okay, so yeah, next is give your relationship a chance. Okay, so some of you who are into separation, or who are not talking to your partners, or relationship has broken down with your person in the past, the half of you, not the single one, the person, the people who was into a relationship but broken up recently, or not talking to each other, not much into a communication, I am talking about them. Then this is a time to work on your partnership. Try to make a lot of efforts into your relationship if possible. Okay, yeah, you will see a lot of passion, like passion is rekindling into your life again with a new love, and the people who were not talking, that passion will again come back. Okay, in the form of partnership. Wow. Libras, I need to tell you that you need to, you feel that you are, if you are restricted by a relationship, if you are restricted by a control level of someone, because you don't like controlling, and I understand that. You need to free yourself. Okay, take your decisions. This is your life. Do whatever you want to do. Okay, no one will give you the, thing that you should be like that. Okay, no one defines you, you need to define yourself. Okay, so free yourself. If someone wants to accept you the way you are, they will. If someone doesn't want to accept you the way you are, they won't. Okay, so just love yourself, care about yourself. Self love and self care is utmost important. Also, one more thing, keep yourself on a priority list. Okay, so yeah, also one more thing, guys. Okay, you need to be very aware of your emotions. Okay, because there are red flags giving you attentions. Okay, if the other person is not correct, new person is entering, and if he is not right for you, or if you are with the existing person and he is not right for you, you need to be very careful about it. Okay, okay, like red flags are cautioning you. Okay, so yeah, be careful about the same. Oh wow. Very soon, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Like, it will be your decision. This is the time to make your own decision, Libras. Okay, whether you want this relationship or not, whether you want this to move one step ahead or not. Okay, this is all up to you. Okay, not on someone else, but it's all up to you. Your decision, your life, your career, your romantic life. Okay, whatever suits you the best, take that decision. Okay, don't be dependent on a codependent relationship, or don't be dependent on a decision on others. Okay, so yes, guys, this is the reading for you. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye, take care.